But, so here it is. Basically, what you have is the first one, the product rule. Add these together so you can expand them out. That is 3 4s there. The second one has 9 4s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's my 9. So that's the end. I can count them up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 4 to the 12th power. So it wouldn't hurt if you show some of your work as you do these to kind of see how they work. I know it's going to be kind of hard to use the negative one, like on number 7. But you can do that. The rule there is, remember, just keeping the base same and adding your exponents. So you can go through there and just kind of just show you how it is when you expand them out. Okay. The ones down here, section 2. These are quotient rule, which means division. So we're going to subtract the exponents. So the same thing here. Remember, if I did this one, I had 8 of these, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you had 3 7s down in your denominator. Remember, these equal 1 wholes because 7 over 7, the numerator and the denominator are the same. So what are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 to the 5th power. And then if you want to use your Desmos calculator, you can. You can use your Desmos calculator. You can leave it like this, or you can also put it in your calculator if you want to, but just leave it as an exponent. It'll be fine. Do be careful when you get to some of these that give you the negatives. You will get negatives here. So when you get a negative, remember, so here's an example. 1, if you get one like x to the 3rd, x to the 6th, remember you got 3 x's here, and 4, 5, 6, 6 down there. And so that gives you 1 over x to the 3rd. Or you can write it as x to the negative 3rd. So you can write it as positive or negative. See if you can write them, both of them. So that's kind of like what will be happening here. Okay. 7, you're 17 and 18, and the ones on the back, you'll be combining them both together. So you need to do some cleanup. So like right here, I'd clean this one up and clean that one up first. So I'm going to do my division first. So I'm left with 6 to the 4th power. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now I have multiplication, so I'm going to I can add those together now. So now I can add. So give me 6 to the 9th power. And just one more here, 14 to the 5th power. There's no exponent here, so that means 1. So I would subtract, so that gives me 14. 5 minus 1 is 4. That's 14 to the 9th. So when I put those together, it gives me 14 to the 3rd. So that's an add. There you go. Okay. The ones on the back are just the same. You'll have to clean them up. So you want to, you might have to do your division first before you multiply, or in some cases you can multiply before you divide. So you have to clean them up as you go. So you're going to combine both of those So there they are. If you have any questions, remember I'll be online Monday and Tuesday from 10 to 11. Thank you much.
Oh, so it must be talking about this one. Oh. Yeah. See how long I can see that. So what is that? That's a good question. That was weird. Bill, are you good?
Water don't mix.
Let's do that.